Design biology case. File forensic evaluation protocol. FEB DQA 2026-001. DBFF. Impossible isn't impossible. Elegant and confident, the YouTube video has numerous views, 17 minutes and 52 seconds of pure animation with authoritative narration, and one of the finest scientists' tacit support. Is the physics that makes interstellar travel impossible? What does it offer physically? Pretty accurate. What does that physical theory conclude? Forensic experts will use red pens then. Mistaken sentence. Paraphrase a legitimate sentence. Function DBFEP. The design biology. Forensic evaluation protocol requires scientific and analysis claims to be criminal evidence. Homicide convictions depend on facts, not history. Contradictory evidence shouldn't be ignored. Quote experts before expressing their opinions. Popular scientific writing often treats something as law when the evidence simply supports chance inference. The Feynman analysis clip almost perfectly shows this tendency. Paraphrase a legitimate sentence. Maintaining claims. Be clear, this video does many things correctly. The Milky Way is 100,000 light-years from the Sun. The Parker Solar Probe exceeds 692,000 km h. 8 minutes until Earth gets Sun. This pace would take roughly 6,600 years to reach Proxima Centauri. According to special relativity, accelerating a mass to light needs unlimited energy. No gravity causes skeletal mass loss, heart abnormalities, and vision difficulties for astronauts. Radio broadcasting began nearly a century ago. Verified all claims. Solid fundamental physics. Thanks if this video helped you grasp the universe's vastness and ferocity. Physical facts are not forensically relevant. Reporting physics results with confidence, mistaken sentence. Paraphrase a legitimate sentence. Confidence versus proof. The rocket equation does not say, as the movie implies, mathematics supports the energy cascade argument for chemical propulsion, and the Tsiolkovsky rocket equation exists. Take enough gasoline to slow down to a fraction of light speed, but exponentially more to carry it. Incredible numbers. The movie applies this opinion to all propulsion technologies rather than a description. My fault. Photon sail propulsion pushes the spaceship from behind with a laser, removing reaction mass. Breakthrough Starshot, suggested in 2016, uses ground-based laser arrays to accelerate gram-scale sails to 20% the speed of light with $100 million from serious donors. The rocket equation is nonsensical as there is no rocket. Breakthrough Starshot is not mentioned in the video. Disputing is pointless. Negating it will not explain why it doesn't alter the result. No such thing exists. Because the absence of expected evidence shows analytical completeness, this is a forensics missing evidence failure. Biology argument is specific valid biological vulnerability claims. Long-term cosmic radiation exposure kills. How to preserve complex animals in liquid nitrogen remains a challenge. Generation ships have psychological and genetic issues. These issues matter. The film's fundamental logical mistake is that biological fragility prevents interplanetary travel, but only applies to biological passengers. The speaker knows. He reasons, maybe they are AI robots. Silicon is sensitive to radiation too. This disproves the claim. This contradicts forensic standards, as I'll explain. Radiation-hardened electronics engineering is well established. For almost 47 years, Voyager has explored space. Radiation-hardened semiconductors are sold. The listener must be unaware to dismiss the AI probe. Self-replicating von Neumann probes don't need food, air, radiation, or psychological support. The presentation claims energy cost and engineering feasibility do not support machine probing. His wave sends them away. The biological verdict applies to biological travelers. Even without evidence, the film presents all possible travelers. The weakest part is UFOs. The confidence-evidence gap is particularly apparent when the presenter calls unexpected aerial phenomena camera artifacts.